I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, park safely, engage the handbrake, and open the boot. You don't need to disconnect the battery for a 12V number plate bulb, but you should keep the keys away. Once done, fold back the trim or remove the small fastener to expose the lamp housing behind the plate. Use a flat screwdriver to gently release the plastic retainer. Go slow to avoid breaking clips. You'll see the bulb holder. That's your immediate working area and the first actionable point to reach the bulb. You now focus on the middle steps. Grasp the bulb holder and rotate it roughly 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock. Once the holder is free, pull it straight out so the wiring stays intact. Don't yank on wires. Remove the old bulb by pulling from the glass base. This prevents damage. Insert the new bulb firmly until it seats. If it's a push fit, make sure contacts align. Then push the holder back into the lamp aperture and twist clockwise to secure the assembly in place. You finish by testing immediately. Turn the ignition to accessory and switch on the lights to verify the new plate lamp illuminates. If it lights, press the lamp holder fully home, refit the trim and any clips, then close the boot. If it doesn't light, make sure the bulb is correctly seated and rotated into place. If problems persist, check the corresponding fuse or try a second new bulb to rule out a faulty lamp. One tip: inspect clips for damage to avoid leaks or rattles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.